Well, good morning, Global Studies students. It's another Thursday, and that means another brand new folder and another introductory video for you. I bet you're getting used to this by now, and hopefully you're still finding them useful. Let's talk through our week real quickly. All right, so first of all, we have a new folder October 1st through the 7th. All right, we'll open up the instructions and a couple of things. You're not going to see a lot of details this week because this is our time that we're finishing up our essay to be working on. So let's talk through. Today, Thursday, regardless if you're at home in cohort B or C, you're going to continue working on your essay. You should be finishing up your body paragraph, that's your evidence notes, or you should be starting your conclusion. All right, that's kind of why this issue is important to you. The important thing here is letter A. Refer to your English teacher for instructions on how to write the conclusion. I know that Ms. Erickson, Mr. Bettini, and Mr. Slavy have put together a video on this, so you need to watch it. Friday's a big day in here. You're going to continue working on your conclusion. Again, this is for all three cohorts. You need to submit, all right, your first rough draft into Schoology. Submit it by 11:59. This is more of kind of a check-in so then I can see where we're at. But that needs to be submitted. It is not your final one. You will be doing that later on next week. Monday, we are going to do a peer review in class. If you are at home, you'll do a peer review as well. You're going to refer to the document in English that has provided this of how to peer edit and what to look for. For global, for Monday, when you have a friend, a parent, somebody peer edit, we want you to really focus in on the so whats. All right, those are the statements that really support your notes and why this is an important issue. So Monday, we're going to focus in on that. Tuesday, peer review again. All right, we're going to do the same thing, kind of really stick with this kind of why these important pieces. Have someone else read it. Then work on CNN 10. Remember, your next CNN 10 is going to be due in a couple of weeks. The document's up there. It's going to be due on, it will be due on Friday, all right, the 9th. So make sure you're working on this. If you are thinking we're spending a lot of time on this essay, you are correct. I will be very honest with you. This is on purpose. We are going to be doing a lot with writing this year, and we want to get your foundation of how to write perfect. Again, regardless of what career you go into, regardless if you go to a 2-year school, a technical school, or a 4-year school, you're going to have to need to know this process. That's why we're taking some time with it to really help you in the future as well as in your 8th grade year. Mr. Bronson talked about in his presentation how important it is that you get ready for next year. We're really helping you with it. To give you an idea here, also, there is no school on Wednesday. You do not have to do anything. It's a staff development day. If you want to work on your essay, you can. We will then be putting up next week a brand new schedule. We're going to move on a little bit. Your final copy of your essay will be due on Friday. A wonderful week. Friday of next week, the 9th. Let me finish that. Have a wonderful week, ladies and gentlemen.